Okay, today we're going to be putting some ribeyes on the barbecue. Preheated the barbecue, the coals are hot and ready to go. Season the steak. Let's start. Oh, listen to that. Here we go, get the other two. And listen to the sizzle. So I'll probably need about a couple of minutes on each side. They're pretty hot coals. Want to keep them nice and juicy in the middle. Don't want them to go hard and chewy. Let's have a look there. And come back in a minute for the first turn. Okay, now time for the first flip. So let's have a look at what they're going to look like. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at the sizzle. Oh my God. Beautiful. So they're going to need another couple of minutes. And then we'll do the crisscross thing because I just really like that. And then just let them sit for about 5-10 minutes and then we'll serve. Okay, time for turn number 2. So what you want to do is you want to turn it this way and flip. So turn this way and flip. Turn this way and flip. Turn this way and flip. Okay, 2 more minutes and then flip it to the other side. And that'll be the final flip, and then we need to let it sit for a bit. Now the meat over the coals is delicious. I could have done it on the grill, would have been okay, still would have tasted good, but I really like having the flavour of that charcoal. It looks like it's cooking pretty good, so don't want to overdo it. Might leave it for maybe, yeah, still probably think it still needs 2 minutes. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're ready to turn again. So now, oh my God, look at that crisscross. Go for this one first. And this one, and that'll be it. No more after this. 2 more minutes. Let it sit. Be ready to serve very soon. And that's it. Double check. Oh, yes. So we'll put this one here. This one here. That one can go over there. Can go over there. And we'll just wait. Let it sit for a little bit. Hopefully the flames are not going to cause any further cooking. You can see here, the juices will start coming up. There you go. Juices start coming up. And that's what you want. Alright, almost time to eat. Bon appetit.